Hey everybody, this is Tanner Peterson here with Wikispeed in Lynwood, Washington. It is Thursday, June 14th at 9:28 in the evening. So I worked in the shop this evening. I worked on car number 8 here on the lateral beams. Last week I cut about 10 inches off of each lateral beam so that when we reassemble the frame it'll be narrower than it was before to accept these big fat tires here. What I did today is you can see the 3 beams here have the mounting plates bolted back on to one side and the one is missing. So I finished 3. I mounted everything up and I drilled the holes and then I bolted everything back on. So next week I'm going to finish with that last beam and then I'm going to recut holes in this 4th little beam, which is for the steering column mounting. And then I'll bolt everything back on the big chassis pieces here. Bolt everything back up. So yeah, that's it. Wikispeed out. Bye.